Hello. Okay, I got pigtails like I'm 12, but it's okay. Today's video is going to be a haul. We went sourcing over the weekend. It's still the weekend when I'm filming this, but I wanted to show you guys some things that I got. I found some really cool things. Majority is bread and butter, but I like to show you guys that I don't always find amazing things. Most of the time it's like bread and butter things with, like, you know, a couple amazing things mixed in. Let's start off with a really amazing thing. This is a vintage 1987 David Bowie tour sweatshirt. It is from the Glass Spider tour, and it looks like this. Looks like that on the back. There are a couple of spots on here. Yeah, see, there's like a spot right there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but yeah, a couple spots. The size tag is like very faded, like you can't see. Oh wait, oh shit balls, it says one size fits all on it. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester. That is an indication, not the only indication, but that does indicate that something is vintage. So yeah, one size fits all. I would say no, one size does not fit all. I would say it's like a medium large. Oh, it does have pockets too. And then on one side, the pocket's kind of ripped, but not really that big of a deal. But yeah, this is amazing. Like I said, from 1987. You can't really see it, but it does say 1987 on here, and then obviously the tour says 1987, but this is for sure vintage. I looked at comps. I couldn't find any comps on a sweatshirt, but I found like the t-shirts, and they were selling on eBay between like $130, $150. So I have this listed for $200, and we'll see. We'll see. It's definitely something where you have to wait around for the right buyer. It's not going to sell immediately. So yeah, we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted and let you guys know what this sells for. Okay, next thing are these Nike joggers. They are size medium. It says just do it on the waist. Gray. Like, what is this color? And they look like this. These are just, you know, simple. You can fold the waist up too. You know, nothing too crazy, but they're in excellent condition, and these are very popular. Emmeline actually found these. She was so excited. She's like, Mom, I found Nike for you. It was cute. They're from holiday 2014. If you guys didn't know, you can look at Nike tags and see, camera focus right there, HO14, that means holiday 2014. Some basic black denim shorts. These are from ASOS. These are a size 6. High rise, cuffed. Okay, so we went to multiple different thrift stores, and the thrift stores around me, everyone's raising their prices. Like, it's crazy. But one of the thrift stores we went to, the prices were good, or they just didn't know brands. I got these frame denim pants for super cheap. They are the Lehigh Flare pants, size 29, and they are blue and white striped pants with a big old flare at the bottom. I found these Victoria's Secret, what is up with the lighting? Victoria's Secret sport joggers, size medium. They're just black. These would maybe fit a large. They look kind of big. Just says Victoria's Sport right there. Again, just simple, basic, you know, but people will buy it. People will buy it. I got some J brand jeans. These were super cheap. Again, they must not know the brand. 25, which is a smaller size, but these were super cheap. So I'm like, I'm gonna get them. They're just skinny jeans, skinny. All right, more frame denim. These are the Lehigh Straight, size 29, and they're gray and have this little like metallicness on the side. Excellent condition. Again, these were super cheap. These are more of like a boot cut. Yeah, excellent condition. Found this Adidas shirt. It's a size medium. I just thought it was cool. It's got a little flamingo on it. I love selling graphic tees. I got two North Face hoodies. This is a size extra large. Hold on. I think I put it as a large. Everything is listed, by the way. If you see something and you want to buy it. But yeah, I gotta change this because I'm pretty sure I put this as a large. And yes, I did. It's extra large. Okay. Gotta change that. It's just this like green heathered color, extra large. Another North Face hoodie. This is a size medium, just pink, and it's got like velvetiness in the logo with like some trees. Yes. Got this Vans, not hoodie, sweatshirt, size large. It's just like a cream color. Looks like this. It does have a flaw on the back, guys. Sorry about the lighting. It has a stain on the back. I'm going to try to get it out. My husband is really good at getting stains out, so I'm gonna put that aside and see if he can get it out. These pink Victoria's Secret sweat shorts, these are really popular right now. I'm pissed because I made a purchase on Poshmark. I bought a couple of pairs of sweat shorts from this girl, and it's been a week. It's been like a week and 2 days, and she hasn't mailed them out yet. So I could cancel them, but I got them for really cheap, so I'm gonna wait a couple more days and see. Anyway, these are a size large, and they're just black. Cozy shorts with pink on the side. These are just Champion shorts, size small, just purple mesh shorts. I thought they were cute. The Champion logo. You can fold down the waist. Like that. This I want to keep. I think I might keep. I don't know. We'll see. It is Champion. It's vintage. It's men's size medium, so women's large, although it is huge. Like this would be, oh my gosh, just like a cozy, oversized sweatshirt. But it's just a basic sweatshirt with the logo right there. But again, it's huge. Huge. I was so excited to find this. I picked it up. I'm like, this feels really good quality. And then I saw the logo. I'm like, I know that logo. Like, what is that logo? I know it. I know it. I know it. And then I looked on the zipper pull. The zipper pull somewhere. Freaking, oh yeah, on the inside. And it said Iviva, which is, or was, Lululemon's little girls line. So yeah, I was excited to find this. It's reversible. It's just a little zip up jacket. I don't know like the name of it. If this was like Lulu, it would be called not like a scuba, maybe a Define jacket. I don't know. I don't know what Aviva calls it, but this is what it looks like. And again, it's reversible. It's got gray on the inside. This was the logo, by the way. That was the logo that I saw. I'm like, I know that. I know it. I know it. And then the zipper pull says Iviva. Iviva. Is that how you pronounce it? Or is it Iviva? 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 Iviva. Iviva? I don't know. This is super cute. It is a spider jacket, size medium. I don't know if you'd call this waffle knit. Like, is this waffle knit? Yeah, I called it waffle knit. It's a light pink and gray. Really cute. Actually, somebody asked me for measurements on this, so I gotta reply back to that. The spider logo on the back. I saw these two sweatshirts right next to each other. They are both the Victoria's Secret pink, size, I gotta change the listing. See, this is good. This is good. One's a size extra small and one is a small, and they both say pink limited edition on the collar, and they're just these like teal sweatshirts with the dog, and it just says pink on the sleeve. I don't know why it's so special to make it limited edition. I don't know. Is it the color? Is it the neck? I don't know, but I've got two of them. Their sizing, they really need to figure out their sizing, because like I can fit into an extra small and I can fit into an extra large in Victoria's Secret. Like it's the pink line actually. Like the regular Victoria's Secret, their line's pretty good with sizing, but pink is just all over the place with sizing. So yeah, this extra small would fit probably like a medium large, and then this small like a large extra large. Like it's crazy. This is huge. This is huge. Like what? It's not small, it's huge. Victoria's Secret pink, this is a size extra small. This is definitely not an extra small. This is more like a medium. I thought this is cute. Maroon with like the cheetah print. This is sick. It is a Wu-Tang shirt, size large. Definitely, I mean, I don't know if it's vintage. It's just, it looks very old. There's no, I don't know. I don't think it's vintage. It's got double stitching, not single stitch. I don't think it's vintage. It's just old. So yeah, Wu-Tang looks like that. I don't know if you can tell, but like I said, there's like cracking on the logo. I might keep this for myself. Two pairs of Free People shorts. I don't know how to find like Free People style names. Are they on the tags? I don't know. I don't know, but these are a size 26 and they just are distressed shorts with a lace hem. Super cute. And then these ones are also size 26. And these are a dark wash, cuffed like big old pockets in the front. Look like that. And I did get a pair of Free People jeans. They're all the way across the room. I'm not going to get them, but I will post a picture. They are a very flared leg, elephant flare, if you will, or extreme flare. Don't remember what size they are. I'll put it on the screen. All right, found this North Face shirt. This is a men's small, so women's medium. I've had a lot of interest on this shirt, a lot of lowball offers. It's just a blue shirt with a North Face on it, and then a logo on the back. This North Face sweatshirt, this is a size large, and I love the color. I love it with just a little patch. So we've got some American Eagle 90s boyfriend short, size 8. They're striped and distressed. Look like that. Some Everlane jeans. These were marked super cheap. I don't know what these are called. It just says Everlane size 31 regular. I don't know the style. It says high rise. I don't know. They're in excellent condition. They're a gray color. Skinny. Again, excellent condition. This is super cute. This is a Champion size large. Little V-neck cropped sweatshirt. It's like cinched on the sleeves. Super cute. 3 Lulus in a row. Yes, super excited. This first pair are the speed up shorts, I think they're called. I'll put them right here. I already sold them. I had them listed for 40, I think, and somebody sent me an offer for 30, and then I countered back at 35 and they bought them. So those sold really quick. These ones are the Hottie Hot shorts. These are the 2.5 inch inseam. These are a size 4, I think. Yes, size 4 in the color Regal Plum. Super cute. I love these. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. They're gray. Love these shorts. I love the Hottie Hots. I love their tracker shorts. This cute little thing. This is the Light as Air skirt. It's like a skirt though. It's got, you know, shorts underneath and a skirt over it. But how pretty is that little pattern? This is also a size 4. And then I found a pair of Lulu leggings. They are the Amped Up. I think it's called Amped Up Crops. I'll put a picture. And then I found these. I was super excited. This is my first time finding this brand. This is Veronica Beard. And these are the Marlene 12-inch corset jeans. Size. What the hell size are you? Size 29. 29. They look like this. They have a button fly with this little belt. Super high rise with a raw hem. So yeah, super excited about these guys. The comps look really good, like $100, close to $100. So I think I have them listed at 100, and we'll see. All right, so that is it for my little haul. If you see anything in this video that you want to purchase, go to my Poshmark closet because everything is listed. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.